Okay, cool. You still got your tool. We good. Mm-mm. 'Cause after this, after we use that tool, we're gonna go down to that 1.5.
Okay.
Am I gonna have any hair left?
No.
Oh, you gonna be okay.
I'm gonna have a bit of hair left and I had a camera. I'm joking.
Oh, really?
You're gonna look good, Johnny, I promise.
Okay.
Okay, so now you should be coming down to your 1.5. And one thing you're looking for is you're looking for the dark spots that's right up in here. Make sure it's open. And then once you take off all the hair that the open does, go to middle. Go to medium. I mean the middle. Mm-hmm.
It feels like a deja vu.
You said what? Deja vu?
Mm-hmm.
Was somebody who's done like this?
Yeah.
Some people
And I
only
went
had it
home.
once?
And I went home, and the dog didn't recognize me.
Oh, sorry, babe. Then I was not gonna recognize you today.
Mm-hmm. Once you get to the point that one and that 1.5 close is not doing it, what you gonna do?
Take it to middle. Or
Okay.
no. Take it to open. Wait, what you ask?
I say after you get done with that 1.5 close, and you see it's not taking anything off, then what are you gonna do?
Take it off.
You're gonna go put a 1 on open. You're gonna 1.5 is a 1 is up underneath the 1.5. You understand, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's Johnny? I don't know, girl. He left.
So now you understand, you get what you got it?
I think so.
Okay.
Keep the video going?
No, y'all, you cool, I'm done. Now we getting ready to go back to class. Let me ask you a question.